सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए मेरे वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज मैं अपनी छोटी सी लाइब्रेरी से आपके लिए एक नई बुक लाया हूँ। उसका नाम है पंचतंत्र। क्या कहीं आपको इनमें से पंचतंत्र नाम की बुक दिख रही है? हाँ, सही पहचाना, ये है पंचतंत्र। ये मेरी पहली इंग्लिश स्टोरी बुक है। अगर आपको अपने घर में इंग्लिश स्टोरी बुक स्टार्ट करना चाहिए तो मैं आपको ये बुक रिकमेंड करता हूँ, क्योंकि इसकी लैंग्वेज बहुत ही इजी है और इसके वर्ड्स भी बहुत ही इजी हैं। इसमें 40 स्टोरीज हैं। ये सारी कहानी एनिमल्स की है। हर एक कहानी हमें एक सीख देती है। आइए आज हम सब मिलके एक कहानी पढ़ते हैं। इस कहानी का नाम है द एलिफेंट हिट्स बैक। There was once a kind and gentle elephant. He was friendly and near hurt anyone, so everyone loved him. The elephant would go to the temple every morning and pass through a busy market. There, the forest would give the elephant a golden garland of yellow flowers. Every day and Fuller's fruit seller would give him a fruit every day. All the people would stand around the elephant and pat him lovingly and kindly, which the elephant greatly enjoyed. When the elephant got so much love, the kindness he gave love and kindness to others too, he often took the small children of the shopkeepers of joy rides. One day the florist felt like teasing the elephant. When the elephant came, the florist put out his left hand with a garland, but he did not give the garland. He had a needle in his right hand with which he used to make garlands. He pricked the elephant's trunk with it. The elephant let out a loud cry, and the people around started laughing. The elephant was in the great pain where the needle and pricked him, so he sat down the rest. He left hurt and angry. Slowly he got up and walked away quickly. He could still hear the forest and the people around laughing at him. He did not go to the temple that day, straight to the pond nearby and filled his trunk with the dirty water of the pond. When he walked to the shop of the florist, when he reached the forest, the florist started laughing at the elephant again. Then the elephant aimed his trunk at thin forest and sprayed the dirty water right onto the forest. All the dirty water fell on the forest and hit the shop. All the flowers of the shop were dirtied by the water, and what that day the florist did not earn any money because nobody bought the dirty flowers. The elephant went to the florist the next morning and stood outside his shop. The scared florist quietly gave him a garland of flowers for the temple. The florist had learned that it was best to be kind to the elephant because then the elephant too would be kind to him. But if anyone teased the elephant, then he would hit back, so he decided not to trouble the elephant. Okay friends, इस बुक को पढ़ने से पहले पेरेंट्स की हेल्प जरूर लें, क्योंकि वो इसका मीनिंग भी समझा सके और कुछ गलती हो तो वो भी बता सके। ओके, अगर आप भी इस बुक को अवश्य पढ़ें। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलें। बाय बाय।